Today I'll show you how to replace Mitsubishi's factory light curtain with a WECO one on a VFGL elevator. Let's get into it. First, check the lower right corner of the car top control cabinet. You'll see terminal blocks L10T and L20T, which are two 220V power sources. I've already connected these two wires to the WECO light curtain power box. Since the original Mitsubishi light curtain also has its own control box, we need to remove all the factory stuff. On this elevator, I've already swapped it out. Here's how. Unplug the original light curtain control box. Disconnect the F4 connector on the door motor besplet. All factory parts are gone. But wait, WECO's wiring is totally different, so we need to block the original light curtain signals to stop the elevator from detecting them. Here's the trick. Find the jumper pins SR1DS and SR3DS. Short them with jumper caps. Remove the JP1 pin 4 MBS signal. Done. Now the elevator ignores the old light curtain. This is super handy if you are troubleshooting door issues, or checking if the original light curtain's faulty. Now where to connect the WECO light curtain. We'll hook it to the safety edge terminals, 420, 30. Since this elevator doesn't have physical safety edges, I've just bridged 420 and 30 with a jumper wire. It's a bit hard to see here because of glare, but on your elevator, you'll spot these terminals easily. For the WECO setup, take two wires from the WECO light curtain's normally closed NC terminals. Connect them to 420 and 30. If the elevator does have safety edges, wire these in series with them. And that's it. If I missed anything or got something wrong, let me know in the comments.